In this video, we will discuss one very important question of social science history, Seva. And the question is write a note on the revolt of Patharughat. Students, Patharughat is a place, it was in the Mangaldoyi circle of Darang district, and the peasants of this region were angry because of the increased revenue and its collection. Therefore, in their respective areas, they held rice mills, and finally, they decided to hold a rice mill, a 3 days rice mill from 26 January to 28 January 1894 at Patharughat. This news reached the then DC Anderson, J.D. Anderson. He did not want this rice mill to be held. Therefore, he sent his SP Barrington to prevent this rice mill from being held. He went there and began to confiscate the land of those peasants who refused to give tax. In the meantime, 200 peasants surrounded him, and finding himself in dangerous situation, anyhow Barrington leave the place and saved his life. He came to the rest camp and he reported this incident to J.D. Anderson. J.D. Anderson was reported this matter. Barrington reported this matter to J.D. Anderson. In the meantime, 2,000 peasants with bamboo sticks in hand and stones came and surrounded the rest camp, and they were moving closer to the rest camp. Uh, J.D. Anderson, the DC, told them to leave the place and to be scattered from there, to go from there, but they didn't. In the meantime, he told Superintendent of Police Barrington to use force for the dispersal of the peasants, and Barrington used force. When police started using force, they also started brandishing their lathis in their hands and moving towards the rest camp, pelting stones. The situation was very grim. In such situation, what happened? You see, police Barrington ordered his force to open fire. In this firing, according to official reports, 15 people were killed, peasants were killed, and 37 peasants were injured. But according to unofficial report, 140 peasants were killed in the police firing at Patharughat, and 140 peasants were killed in the police firing at Patharughat, and 150 peasants were injured. This incident in the history of Assam is known as the peasants revolt of Patharughat that took place in 1894. ये पीजेंट्स रिवोल्ट जो था 1894 ईस्वी में हुआ था. आई फील ये आपको अच्छा लगेगा. यू विल गेट हिंट्स फॉर दिस नोट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस टाइम. आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए, याद हो जाना चाहिए. थैंक यू.